Objection, Judge, that's privilege, and he knows that. You want to know what this is all about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. So now we're at trial, and the defense lawyer is questioning my witness, my client, on the witness stand. And he now asks a question about a conversation that he and I had the morning before we started court. Now, why do I jump up and yell out, "Objection, Judge, that's privileged"? Anything my client and I discuss is private, it's confidential, it's privileged, which means that the defense lawyer cannot learn of the details of what we talked about. He can learn that we had a conversation, but so what? But he cannot learn and cannot force my client to disclose any information about what it was that we said. And now, in response to my objection, the judge will turn around and say, "Objection sustained," which means, "Mr. Witness, you are not to answer that question. Defense lawyer, ask a different question." Now, you should know that if I did the same thing, if I asked the defense lawyer's client the same exact question, "Hey, Mr. Jones, tell me what it is that you and your attorney talked about before you took the witness stand," the defense lawyer would get up and say, "Objection, Judge, that's privileged information." And you know what? He's absolutely right. And the judge would again sustain the objection, which means the witness is not to answer the question. So why do I raise this? I raise this because sometimes an attorney will try and ask the question, hoping that the witness will blurt something out before I have a chance to object, and before the judge has an opportunity to go ahead and rule on that objection. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a civil trial here in New York involving accident matters, involving medical malpractice cases, and even wrongful death matters. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you've not yet started a lawsuit because you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.